The civil authorities has issued a civil danger warning for Kings WA, effective until 10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. An unknown entity made out of lightning was seen descending down from the clouds. Then this entity proceeded to attack everyone and cause mass damage across Seattle metropolitan area. This entity is using lightning for weapons and target. All residents in Seattle are strongly advised to stay indoors and do not go outside for any reason. This entity is showing its appearance as a 19-year-old female, standing around 6 feet tall, yellow blonde hair, blue eyes, and wearing a long white dress. This individual should be considered dangerous as it is proven that this individual has the capability to attack her victims that stand in her way. If you approach her, you're putting your life in extreme danger. Remain indoors, and remain away from this individual at all costs. This message will repeat shortly when possible.